Learn how to upload high quality videos and photos on WhatsApp status coming up now. So the last video I uploaded about uploading high quality WhatsApp status in 2022 worked really well, but it has few problems. It requires WhatsApp web login, for which you will require a laptop. The videos need to be less than 16 MB, otherwise they will not be sent via WhatsApp web. Also, the iPhone users were struggling to use this trick. Also, there is a new option in WhatsApp where you can select best quality in media upload from settings area, but it does not work for WhatsApp status. It only works for the media you are sending to some other person. And also, a common question I keep getting from a lot of users, that why does WhatsApp reduce the quality of high quality photos and videos users take from their flagship smartphone cameras. So here is a video solving all the problems using a simple app called Pure Status. It is available for Android as well as for iPhone. So iPhone users will also be able to do this. Now the Pure Status app is very easy to use. You just need to download it from the Play Store or the App Store for Android or iPhone respectively. Once you have installed the app, select the video you want to post as a WhatsApp status and then compress it using the Pure Status app. Once it is compressed, share it directly from the app itself and you are done. After that, you will be able to clearly see the difference in the quality of your WhatsApp status. Now to get the best results, make sure you do not edit or modify the video after the compression is done inside the Pure Status app. Otherwise, it will again reduce the quality. Also, make sure you do not use any media that you have got from WhatsApp itself. For example, if a friend has sent a video to you from WhatsApp and you want to improve that video's quality, it will not be possible because it has already been compressed using the WhatsApp compression algorithm. So you need to make sure that you are using high quality video and then you are compressing that video. So make sure you compress the video that is available in the highest quality, and whether the quality is improved or not, you can check it yourself. Upload the video you have compressed using the Pure Status app and then upload the original video as well. In my case, you can see the video that I compressed using Pure Status app and then uploaded it on WhatsApp status. It is 720p and the size of the video is 15.1 MB, while the video that I posted on WhatsApp status directly is only 480p and the size of the video is 5.6 MB. So the WhatsApp status I posted using the Pure Status app is 3 times higher in quality than the video that was posted directly. Also, using the Pure Status app, you will be able to upload the videos that are longer than 30 seconds that can also be uploaded to WhatsApp status in highest quality, which was not possible using the previous trick. The Pure Status app is free to use for both Android and iPhone. You can download them from the links given in the description of this video and tell me in the comments how it has improved your WhatsApp status quality. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like us. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.